ballistic. The way Oga take reverse, since why I don dey work for here, I never see Oga do that kind of reversing. One hand he don turn for this house. The way he take rushly, hurriedly comot for this house, the thing still dey shock me till now. Wetin dey do, madam? Wetin dey do am?
Friday. Me I no know. Na Oga come meet me for where I dey for kitchen say make I come carry Destiny. Say they carry madam go hospital. And you know as that Destiny dey be. I don try make her sleep. She dey inside dey sleep.
You know say you be miss observant. With all the observing skills wey don gather for this house, wetin you observe wey dey happen to madam? Madam dey sick?
Ajuju. Me I no know.
Omo. You know say normally as I dey like this, I no be person wey dey fear. And we no get fear for our family. But wetin dey happen now dey fear me. Strange things don dey happen for this house. Na God na your hand we dey o. Make God save us. Make we no go die for wetin we no know. Na my prayer every day.
Abeg o. Nothing go happen to my madam. Nothing.
Amen o. Nothing go do am. Nothing go do am.
Friday. Why they go inside? You know say that pikin dey sing before they go come and say want to their pikin well.
Yes.
You know that Destiny at home.
Yes, you are right. The thing tire me. Abeg, no, if you fit help me, if na one plate of food, just carry. No load am, because today for mood wey person no fit eat plenty. Just bring small. God save madam, save my madam, God.
Ikenna, what happened? What happened to your wife?
I know she just passed out and she hasn't regained consciousness till now.
I hope she's still not starving herself.
Oh no. Interestingly, she's been eating. Actually, she's been eating well. You know, it's just that last night she got very emotional and got into a space and, and claimed that she had seen her son and got into a panic attack and passed out.
It's high time you made a move. We can't just fold our hands and watch things get out of hand.
Yeah.
Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay?
Mafama was discharged from the hospital yesterday.
Ikenna.
Dad.
You have to go and see the parish priest before you go tomorrow. You need serious prayers. This thing is no more ordinary.
Yes, so, Ikenna, that's what I'm suggesting. I have to take you to our parish priest, please.
No, Mama, I cannot stay. I have to go. My wife cannot sleep alone in the house.
How do you mean you cannot stay? Your wife cannot sleep alone in the house? Don't you have your housemaid? Can't she stay with the wife?
Ikenna, a stitch in time saves now, Ikenna. You have to stay till tomorrow. So I will take you to our parish priest.
Mama, you will not understand. It's a bit complicated, right? Our former cannot sleep alone in the house. She's been having hallucinations since the passing of our son, so it's a difficult time for her, Mama. Please understand.
Ikenna. How many times did I call you? It's for your own good. I'm your mother. I stand to direct you well. Please, my son, take our advice.
Mami Ikenna is okay. Well, I have nothing more to say to you. You are an adult. It's your decision to make. We are your parents. All we have to do is to advise you. It's left to you to take or not.
Pretending to be your friend. I can't sleep at night again. I don't want my husband to start suspecting that something is wrong. I really need to do something about this. I always have nightmares each night I close my eyes to sleep.
Honey? My love. Honey? Honey? Honey?
Afoma, I am here to know how you're doing. How are you?
I'm getting better.
Okay. How is Destiny?
She's fine. Okay. Yeah, fine, and I come to do that. How are you? Madam, ma go bring your food, come at your make chop. No, don't worry, I don't want to eat anything.
Afoma, you mean you're still starving yourself?
I don't just want to eat anything now.
You need to eat something. It's not good for you, please. Fidelia, go and get her food.
No, you don't need to. I don't even have appetite.
Afoma, you need to eat something, please.
Okay, come see, fine. I'll eat, but not now. Fidelia, you can go. Okay. It just feels like somebody is after us. You know, I'm beginning to think that my uncle is actually trying to destroy my life.
Afoma, it's okay. All I know is that one day all this is going to be over.
When?
Soon.
Come see when. This is all I have been hearing. Just take a look at my house. We can barely feed. My husband spent every dime he had on Junior's kidney problem.
Afoma, don't worry. All is going to be fine soon. You hear? It's okay.
I am beginning to give up on God.
You cannot.
I'm beginning to give up on Him.
God is still there.
No, don't kill me. No, stop. No, please. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. No.
Honey?
What happened?
You were screaming and begging not to be killed.
Yes, I remember. One guy was trying to stab me in my dreams. He nearly killed me. Honey, thank you for waking me up. He nearly killed me.
It's okay. Honey, lately you've been having some kind of nightmare. What could be the problem?
I don't know.
I think you need to see a spiritual director.
Yes, I have to.
Huh?
You have to see him.
It's okay. Calm down. Take a deep breath. Okay? It's okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Let's go to the bedroom, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let's go.
Will you give your heart and sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend? Oh, you call your friend. Oh, who you trust so much. Who you trust so much. And sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend.
Okoli. How are you? You look worried. Is everything all right? Okoli, everything's not right. Everything is not all right. I'm going to the palace. What happened? Okoli, are you the only one in this community that has not heard how my late brother's wife goes around painting me black? Are you the only one? Hey. I heard it. You heard it. But what make her think you will harm her family? I don't know. And I've had enough of it. I have decided to go to Igwe. Your decision is all right. I will say my own. We'll see later.
Mama Foma. Now you come. You are welcome. I came to see you. I hope all is well.
People said that a toad does not scamper in the daytime in vain. It's about the accusation you have been making against your late husband's brother, Udeze. I met him this afternoon on my way. He told me that he's heading straight to Igwe to report the matter.
So what about that?
I suggest you make peace with him. You don't have evidence to back up your allegations.
Says who? Onyeku. See, Mazokon, you better go home. Don't worry yourself about this matter. How can you get bam? And I'm a one. I am ready to answer Igwe anytime he calls. So, Mama Fonagi, just go home. Now, I beg you.
Mama Fonagi. Okay. I've heard you. I'll be on my way.
Now, I beg you.
Tell Udeze that he will never escape punishment when God's anger comes.
I don't need to happen to Destiny. Destiny. Hey. Hold her, please. Hold her. Where is it?
You know the things they happen for this house. Because the problem don't there for this house. I see problem everywhere. Nah, Destiny. What is happening? Eh? Like person use this just carry this thing, they find this family like Gary. Don't do that, don't do. Hi! See. Come. Put food there for kitchen. Come first, come. Dance. Not to cry.
I'm not crying.
Hold yourself.
I'm not crying.
Food there kitchen.
I'm not crying.
Why are you like this? When you talk to me, what is the problem?
We lost her. She died before we got to the hospital.
Oh, God. Hey. Oh, God.
What is going on? I don't know what is happening to Ikenna. This is too much for one person to bear.
Please, I'm looking for the Baba that stays here.
The Baba that stays here? Yes. Well, this empty land was bought by my pastor. And he asked me to clear it.
Oh, the Baba that stays here before, do you know where I can find him?
The worst of it is that I don't know his whereabouts.
Hey.
Any problem?
No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
It's time you ask yourself a question and tell yourself the truth. You know?
What are you saying, Mom?
I'm saying that your wife is the cause of your misfortune. Again, if we are not happy back again.
My wife?
Your wife.
My wife lost 2 children, miscarried, an 8-month-old pregnancy, and you tell me, with all that she's been through for us, that she's the cause of our misfortune, Mama?
Ikenna.
Why?
Whether you like it or not, if you like, believe me. If you don't like, drop it. All I know is that your wife is the cause of your predicament. Yes, ask her to tell you where she belongs.
Mama, don't talk like that. Don't let her from her hear you.
Kwamo, am I afraid of her? Let her hear it now. I'm not telling you for you not to tell her. Tell her that I said so. Again,
is this why you came here?
Yes. Very, very yes. I came here because of what I saw in your wife. She is evil. One thing I want to tell you, I will not sit down and watch her ruin your life. And I'm your mother. Talk again.
You are my mother, yet I am very disappointed in you.
You know what, Mo? John.
Brother, please. Why not listen to Mama? You know she can't deceive you.
Birds of a feather.
Ikenna, don't just walk out from me, Ikenna. Choma, did you see your brother? Did you see him? You have seen it now. Of which I give for you?
Mama, see, we are not leaving this house till everything is settled.
Mama, I'm saying I'm a go. As I go, I must see the end of it all. When you are talking to your son, you will just walk away from me. Huh?
Shimo.
please. Stop crying. Stop crying. I feel bad. I'm broken too. But tears would not bring Destiny back. You know that. No amount of crying, sweetheart, stop crying.
I'm not crying because of Destiny.
So why are you crying now?
I heard everything your mother said.
How did she know about it?
Your mother thinks I'm the cause of your misfortune. It's better you take me back to my mother, somewhere where I'll be comfortable.
No, sweetheart, no. You're not going anywhere, okay? Sweetheart, you and I are in this forever. You're my wife. You have been a blessing to me. You're not a curse. Okay, stop crying, please.
You're the only one who thinks of me that way. Your mother doesn't.
My darling.
I just want God to take my life so at least I can rest.
Shh, don't talk like that now. Well, you're a Christian. I won't be happy if you keep talking like that, okay? Listen, we have life. As long as we have life, there is hope. I promise that there is light at the end of this tunnel. Trust me.
What are you preaching to her? Huh? What are you preaching to her? Tell her the truth and stop pretending.
Mama Bikono, stop. This is not a good time for this. Please, please.
I will. I will. Afoma, pay your husband the society you belong. They have been using you to ruin my son. And listen, I will not sit down here and watch you ruin my son. Either you tell him the truth or you pack your things and go back to your mother. In Anoya, go back to your mother.
Mama, that will not happen. She is my wife. She's not going anywhere.
I'll say.
It will not happen.
Let's watch and see. Who
did I offend? A major
Mama, we need to do something before it's too late. Afoma needs to leave this house before she ruins my brother's life.
Your brother wouldn't listen. Yes, that is the problem.
Then we need to force it on Afoma. She needs to tell us the truth.
You think
she has to open up to us.
You think it's easy? It's not easy.
Just allow me. I need to leave this place now. I need to leave this house.
Sweetheart, no, you cannot leave now. You can't leave. No, you can't leave, please. What you want to leave me?
Okay, now what am I doing here? What am I doing here? I need to leave this house. I beg you, please, just let me take my bags.
No, you have to drop the bag. Now leave the bag.
Ikenna,
Mama,
what are you doing? Allow her to go. She is evil. She has bewitched you. That's why you hate me so much.
Mama, stop now. Stop calling my wife a witch. I don't like it. She's not a witch. Sweetheart, please, I'm begging you. Please, look at me. Look at me.
Hey!
Look at me.
Hey, what happened to me?
Please. Please.
But you're kneeling down.
Hey!
I just need to go. I can't
You cannot go. I cannot continue life without you. I beg you, please. This was not the plan where we got married.
I can't continue to stay here. What am I doing here?
I will make life easy for you, I promise you.
But that is frustrating my life.
No. I will stand for you. I will defend you. Please.
Hey!
Just let go of the bag. I beg you. Just
Pass here and go.
Just let me take my bags and go.
Pass here and go.
Kamsi, what have I done to deserve all this? What? My mother-in-law and her daughter thinks I am responsible for everything happening. Kamsi, how can I kill my own children? How?
Afoma, you and I know that these people are lying. Don't let it bother you. It's not true. It cannot be true.
I am not going back to that house until they leave. They are frustrating life out of me. I am not going back there.
Afoma, if you put so much burden on yourself, you're stressing yourself. Don't believe these people. All these things are going to be fine again.
When is it going to be fine?
Soon, and very soon.
God should just let him just take my life so at least I can rest. I am tired.
Informa is going to be fine again. It's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
I can't stop. I won't stop crying until God hears my prayers.
He will hear your prayers.
Everything, every single thing I labored for, Kamsi, has just gone into thin air. My life, my joy, my happiness, everything is gone. What did I do? I did not wrong anybody. Why is this happening to me?
It's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
This is too much.
Everything is going to be fine soon and very soon.
This is too much.
Okay? It's okay. Oh, my friend. So sorry. It's okay.
God.
Sorry.
Chama, where's your brother Ikenna?
He just left though. I think he has gone to bring her back.
Huh? Bring who back? That wench? Bring her back in this house. As far as I live, that girl cannot step her feet in this house. Never. Not while I'm alive. See, why here?
Mama, the best thing for us to do now is to remain in this house. Because as soon as we go back to the village, he will bring her back home.
Or say,
we're not going anywhere.
Me? I'm not a gwim. I have come to stay. Me going back to the village. This is my son's house. And I'm not going anywhere.
We remain here.
Or see, so I say.
Hey! Come back here.
Mommy.
No. My friend, bring your dead body down here. Are you not supposed to be in the kitchen?
I think I'll go collect something from Gitman.
Something like what?
Huh? Can you look on Come, Onukwa. Do you think I don't know you're having affairs with the gate man?
Mama, na lie. I'm not get affair with anybody.
My friend, will you
I'm the one lying. I'm the one lying.
Get
out this guy. Calling Mama Ikenna a liar. One more.
Don't worry, Mama. See this one. We didn't inside this house. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Calling me a liar.
Have got to stay.
Shake up. Go anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. This is my son.
Friday. I dey vex as I dey here so. See one day I go change am for that Oga sister. That time she go know say me, I no be small pikin.
You know say as I dey like this, for night like this I go sleep. Morning go do I come wake up. This want me to come out for gate, come check with you that I'll go sleep again. I can't the reason I would try to dream am. Man know wetin they do for this house. Wetin these people, wetin they do for this house? Wetin they do here? I don't know.
How I won't take no now? How I won't take no? No be because of them we make madam run come out for this house, go her friend place for 3 days now.
You see you as you dey like this, you know the kind power wey you get. You get power, but you no know. You know say now you dey in charge of this kitchen. You know say now you hold their belle, you hold am for hand like this and they do thing like table tennis, but you no know. Not only you, the woman leader. You know you be excess overall of this kitchen. No fidelia, no food. But they don't know. He say I be you. Like say God can't do am. Say na me be you. I for not they give them food for this house. I for not they give them chicken food for this house. Even though I go manage, say Oga and madam come notice say I know they give them food. If I won't give them food, now small soured food when now I go to give them. That you don't know me well, you don't know me.
Friday, you need to see the way that girl they order me around. Say, Friday, see, be like say that girl, she know the fear face. She know the fear face.
You know what happen? As I don't see that right for here, make I go check am back the other side.
Come back here.
I dey hear voices.
I said come back here.
Okay, now you did. They actually said our neighbor here.
Both of you kneel down.
Eh?
I said kneel down. You don't care. Ha! Madam and sister come this house. I never kneel down before.
Me too.
This is why you have been misbehaving. Both of you kneel down. Fidelia or whatever you call yourself, don't let me vent my anger on you. Kneel down now.
See. Now, because I want thing they make me do this thing.
My friend, kneel down. Keep kneeling. Both of you will remain here till night. Stupid fools.
See you soon.
Freddy, now you cause this thing.
Eh?
Now you cause am.
How? What did I do?
Now you first go kneel down. If you say you no kneel down, me I no kneel down. She for no fit do us anything.
Hey, I kneel down?
No, you no kneel down.
You know, sir, I don't know, sir, I kneel down, no. But you self, you know they calculate something. You know they follow footsteps of person. You know they know every movement of person where you and at the day for long. He say they here, they calculate well as I say they calculate. If you know say, as I put hand inside the pocket, I dey insult am. And they tell am waka, shake it, waka. I don't even insult her life. As I dey inside, as my hand dey inside his pocket.
He insult am with your hand as he put her inside pocket. How she want take say, why you no do her like this? Waka shake it.
Now you cause am. You know the observant. You know say everything matter in your thinking. If you can think it, this is my little secret.
Mother, I have asked to talk to you because I'm not happy. I am clearly not happy. For 3 days now, my wife has not come back home because of the both of you.
If that is it, let her continue to be there. Let her stay away. I don't want her to come back to this house.
Says who?
Says me now.
Oh no, Mom, you're wrong. This is my house. She's my wife. I get to decide what happens to her. Oh yes, Mom.
Okay. As far as I'm concerned, she's not coming back to this house. Oga Abata here, as far as I'm alive, she can never come back to this house.
Brother, don't you think you're making a very big mistake?
Look, if I slap you, Choma, Magola, if I slap you, you realize that you yourself, that you are a mistake. Can you imagine?
Iken, I told you, look at your life. You've been bewitched. I told you.
What? I have been what?
Bewitched.
But where do you get these things from? Bewitched by who?
By your wife, Afoma.
That's not true. Mom, I'm with my right senses. I'm just fine.
Onyeku that in or with your senses.
Mom, you're doing too much.
How dare you?
Stop it all.
She will not come back here.
Stop it.
Okay,
you don't get to decide.
You see? I like the way you put it on him. It's self-seeking.
Prophet, he's my very good friend. I brought him so you can help him.
You're welcome, my brother.
Thank you, Prophet. Look, Prophet, let me just get straight to the point.
Speak not. I already know your problem. But before I speak, you must do the needful.
Okay, fine. Prophet, tell me. What's the needful you need us to do?
30,000 naira.
30,000 for...
It's okay. I'll take care of that, okay?
Uche, it's okay. What is the money for?
Your case is simple. But first of all, I must tell you who is responsible for your predicament.
It's okay, Prophet. That is why we are here. Go ahead.
Your mother. Your mother is responsible for your problems. She is a witch. She never wanted to see your own progress.
Prophet, what do you mean? My mother? My own mother? That is not possible.
Are you doubting the prophet of the Most High?
No, Prophet, we can't doubt you. Stop us, we can't doubt you.
I'm still trying to make sense of this. I'm trying hard to make sense of what the prophet just said about my... Is it... How can it be true?
To think that she's been accusing me of being responsible the whole time. I mean...
Why would your mother be this wicked? Not minding the fact that she almost wanted to end up your marriage.
Well, she would not succeed. My God in heaven will not let her succeed. Now I understand her reason behind her actions.
Know who you call your friend.
Excuse me.
Know who you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending to be.
Whatever I want to do, fine. Be free to do, but please don't be mad about it.
Uche, there is nothing to be mad about here. Even the Bible tells you, suffering ye, not the witch, to live. For the witch must die. She has to go. She has made my life impossible.
Again, but you need to take it easy. Listen to me.
Ikenna's mother is responsible for their problem. What kind of a prophet will give such a prophecy? Something is wrong somewhere.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. I'll come back to get you.
Just be careful, please.
Is he going back to the prophet?
No, he's going to confront his mother and his sister. We have to leave the house today.
Is it not better? It's better.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Excuse me.
I want to say thank you. Thank you for the encouragement, for your concern, the love and everything you have done for me. I mean, if not for you, I would have gone back to my mother.
It's okay, Afoma. It's okay. What are we friends for? Thank God, very soon all this will be over.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. Thank you. You're such a good friend.
Thank you. I'll be inside.
Okay, darling.
You give them your heart, they break it. If you trust them at last, they betray you. Causing you so much pains and misery. Be careful with such a friend. You give them your heart, they break it up. If you trust them at last, they betray you. Causing you so much pains and misery.
Hey, don't welcome me. Do not welcome me. Your evil mama has been exposed. Do not welcome me.
Ikenna, it's me.
Of course I know it's you.
What happened?
Do not even pretend.
Hey.
You suddenly turned around and started picking up fights with my wife just to cover up your evil deeds. How could you be so wicked, Mama? Why?
Mama, is this true? I don't know what he's talking about. I still don't understand.
Talking about? Really? Mama, you quit the pretense, Mama. You are responsible for all that I've been going through. Hey. You're responsible for the deaths of my children. You are responsible for losing my job. You're responsible for everything that I am dealing with right now. And you call me your son.
Ikenna, your own mother. How could you?
Don't play the blackmail card. For this prophecy is from a reliable source. Your mother is a witch. Mama, get your things together and leave this house. Don't put that here again. If I come out here and see the both of you here.
Ikenna, your own mother, Ikenna. Mama, what is going on? Can't you see that your mother is going mad? Mommy, I don't want to go back to the village. I don't want to go back to the village. You have seen it now. Oh, dear. It's not mad. I don't know.
My husband took Ikenna to the prophet without telling me about it first. As if he knew I wouldn't allow him do that. And now he has gone out again without telling me where he's going.
You're here and I've been looking for you.
Yeah. I've just been thinking about you. But I thank God everything is coming to an end now.
That's the same thing on my mind as well. But the good thing is I have called my mother and I've told her everything. She should be on her way to my uncle's place now to apologize to him.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's nice.
I'm just hoping my uncle will understand and forgive her.
And I think you should call your uncle too. Yes.
That's right. Let me get my phone.
You should call him.
Yes. I didn't even think about it.
Yeah, you should.
Now you Daisy, please forgive me. Please, I'm really so sorry. I am guilty, but it was out of frustration. Please, I'm begging you to forgive me.
Woman, leave my house. I said leave my house. Go to Igwe's palace and say all you just said now.
I will go, but you will forgive me now. Please, I will after you have forgiven me. Please show me mercy, forgive me, because...
Can you listen to me now? I don't want to push you. I don't want to push you. You are wasting your time here. Leave this place now. I don't want to push you.
Please forgive me. Forgive me, because no. You are my husband, though.
Afoma is calling my line. Come, tell your daughter to stop calling me. Tell Afoma to stop calling me because I have decided to get to the end of this case.
Afoma is calling you?
Yes, she should stop calling me.
Nai, please. Please, pick her call.
Pick her call for what?
Afoma holds nothing against you. She holds nothing against you. Please pick her call.
Mama Afoma, Ude is the bad person. The worst person in the village itself. Stop disturbing my life. Get away from my house.
You are my husband, though.
Husband, my foot. Leave my house. I've told you.
Doctor, how could you? Tell me, how could you lie to me, Doctor? How could you?
Mr. Uche, I had no intention of doing that. The pressure from your wife was so much. Please, I am...
Doctor, you have no right whatsoever to lie to me with my wife's condition, Doctor. You have no right.
I am sorry, please. I am sorry.
They don't want to hear that I am sorry. Because you disappointed me. You betrayed our friendship. You betrayed your profession. You betrayed the oath you took to defend what you do here, Doctor. I'm totally disappointed in you. Doctor, I hate you. I hate you, Doctor.
Mr. Uche. I had no choice than to tell him everything so that my mind would be at rest.
I'm fine. I heard you scream. I heard your voice. You were shouting. I'm good. I'm good. Come see. Hey! Hey! Aboma! No! Gina, please give me. See? Aboma, no, please. Gina, please. I will walk out.
Gina, what do you want me? I'll say. I'll tell everybody. No. I'll say. I kill everybody. Junior, please, Junior. Junior, no. Junior, please.
Please, look at him here. You're not seeing your son here. You're not seeing him here. I can't see him.
this. I will say everything. I will tell everybody what I did. I did it. Nobody should kill me, please. I am sorry. I am sorry for everything. I am sorry for everything. I killed everybody. I did the whole thing. I am sorry.
What is going on here?
My husband, please, I am sorry. Everybody should forgive me, please. I am sorry. I am sorry for my please.
What are you talking about?
I killed everybody. The whole thing, I did it. I did. Forgive me, please. Everybody should forgive me, please.
You killed who?
I killed you. I killed everybody. Everybody. Please.
What is going on? What? You killed who?
Everybody. Everybody. I killed you. I'm so sorry, please. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Kamsi, if you had listened to me the whole time I was talking to you, you wouldn't find yourself in this position. Look at what is happening to you now.
Afoma, please, I don't want my husband to know about this until I find a better solution.
Yes. And you think that will be possible? Because you just told me you're going to the hospital with your husband tomorrow.
Yes. I begged the doctor not to let him know, and he will do it.
And you think he will do it? No, you really think he will do it?
Afoma, I am finished. I am finished.
Listen, Kamsi, I don't mean this in a bad way. But if you had listened to me the whole time I was trying to advise you, you won't find yourself in this position. You broke your covenant with God. Look at me. I kept mine. That is why I am still happily married. I have 2 children and the 3rd one is on the way. Listen, if you ask me, I'll tell you to open up to Uchenna. That's the best thing you can do for yourself right now.
Afoma, you said you're my friend. And how dare you give me such an advice? Do you want me to have problems in my marriage? What's that?
Afoma, I did not say so.
You just said it. You just said, yes. Innocentia. You're mocking me because you think you're more righteous than me. That's it. And you think I don't know what you were doing with all those mass servers years back. You think I don't know.
Listen, Kamsi, you know that is a joke, right? You know, you and I know I was a virgin until I got married. You know.
That's a big lie. That's a big lie. I kept quiet because I didn't want to expose you all the while, Abi. And now you're feeling Mrs. Righteous. Thank you for mocking me. I am leaving your house.
Listen, Kamsi. Kamsi, it hasn't gotten to that. I did not mock you.
Afoma had the guts to mock me just because she thinks she is happy and at peace in her marriage while I am not. Probably die in my sins, like she put it. Well, I am going to make sure that happy marriage turns sour. I'll do everything possible to take away her happiness. She can't be happy while I am not. Never.
Ugule nada na oke, nada na orie, nada na nkwọ, nada na afọ. Afụnye ọkụ ndị mmadụ na ọkụkọ onye ọhụrụ ala chụọ ya ọsọ. Otito taa na asị na ogbu ka o nwere. What do you want? Tell me, and it shall be done.
Baba, I want you to take away the source of her happiness I don't want her to be happy in that marriage again.
You heard from the horse's mouth. She says she doesn't want her marriage to continue. She wants to scatter it. You've said enough. What you said here will be done.
Thank you, Baba.
What is her name?
Her name is Afoma Ikenna.
From what I'm seeing here, she's your friend.
Yes. Baba.
Ogunabale, the excusable leave. You are the only one that impregnated the river goddess without taking her virginity. You are that calabash that cannot be overflown by the river. It will cost you just 50,000 naira.
It's not a problem, Baba. But what I have here is I have 30,000 naira. And once the job is done and done well, I will return the balance for you and even add money on top. Money is not the problem.
Ah! Clear your mouth. Eh? You think we are joking here? You think that Ogunabale is joking? What we do here is talk and do. In fact, consider Afoma your friend. The marriage is gone.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Drop the money.
Thank you, Baba.
Ah!
I didn't have the intention of killing everybody. I did not. Please. I wanted to stop at the point Junior died. But I wasn't able to get Baba. I went to his house to beg him. I couldn't get him. He moved out from his house. I'm sorry. Mama, please forgive me. I was even the one that called you my husband back in the village.
I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Kamsi, you're so wicked. Wicked! So wicked? Heartless? Foolish? You're foolish, Kamsi.
No. What do you want to do? Are you mad? Are you mad, man? What do you want to do? No, tell me what you want to do. Tell me what you want to do. I don't want fear. Is that out? That's in the east, that out. You come here. Come here. Come on! Get out! Mama. See? Come on in! Come in. Let me look. That's enough. Who are you? Are you okay? Amangi. Are you okay? Amangi! Where are you? Okoli, Bonam. Let me look. I say left. Do your left. Do left. Do your right. About turn. And you turn like this. And you move. I beg you, they don't give me change. Cuckoo to my mama. Cuckoo to my mama. Come on to tap. Come on to. Wait. Are you mad? Are you? Gambia. Oh, come on! Open it! Come fast! Come on, open it! Fast! Okay. Be match! Left, right! Left, open it!
Open it. Are you okay?
Open it, guys! Left! Come on, son!
You call your friend, know who you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend. Know who you call your friend, know who you trust so much. There are wolves in If your trust came at last, they betray you.